Hello everyone, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you the reports of the challenge I make, and I also want to show you the settings I actually use, and after that I also want to reveal to you the secrets of how I was treated and everything. I just want to give you every detail about the challenge I took. That was 72 hours ago. So let's quickly head over to how I started the challenge. So on that fateful day, I want to start the challenge using um just $4 to go up. So I started the challenge, the phantom challenge, with $4.65. So and in some hours, I mean in just some minutes, I was able to roll it to $11. So this is just the results I was getting, and as you can see, and this was the video I released that very day before I carried out this challenge. I just want to know maybe the strategy is going to work. So as you can see, these are the results, and I keep giving updates on my Twitter. So this one, I think I have a comment here. Somebody say, please, I appreciate your good work and no, okay. I think there is a comment that someone say I should share the strategy with the person, that the person will very, so he say good, your address wallet. So this person wanna track my address wallet, but still I will have given the address wallet. But okay, so look at this comment, say, but why the point if you don't share your strategy for others to benefit? Bro, I said I just shared some hours ago, so they should check out. But still, i was I was in profits, and I was making it, and I keep moving, keep pushing it. So that after some hours, like when I reached the milestone of two something, so I decided to share a trade. So, and which I think I should start sharing the trade now. So if you are not following me on my Twitter, you can go ahead and follow on my Twitter. I will start sharing every trade I want to pick, maybe 2 to 3 times a day. I will keep sharing. And also my Telegram, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. So I decide to share this. I took the trade before it reached to 126. I think I took it around 120, something like that. So this actually make me a lot of money. So I decided to take share this, and someone took advantage of it. Say I said only for fasted finger. This is scalping method. So on some minutes ago, I think just some minutes ago, and as you can see, it's actually I told them to take profit. If you want to take the profit, then you can take the profit. And I also took my own profit, and this is how it goes later. So on that profit, on that trade, I was able to make $200 with that trade. So, and I also share another one again. This is also another one again that I shared again. As you can see, you can just go ahead and check it. And I also took profit here, as you can see. From I shared the trade from 139, and here is it, 156. So these are just and I closed the trade. I closed yesterday trade with 1000 plus, and this is just what it is. And I think I took AX for now, for the moment. So now let me quickly head over to the DEX Screener and show you exactly what is going on, how I was able to do it. This is my Phantom wallet, and how I was able to achieve this. So, and also, and tell you some of the secrets that many people will be hiding from you. So, guys, this is this DEX Screener. I actually make use of bank box, but seriously, I have a negative about bank bots. Though I'm not a fan of bank bot, but I was introduced to it, and which I was told that is the one of the among the fastest to execute the trade. But it was later, I don't know, for the reason unknown to me, I was getting a negative after I close my trade with a massive profit. Still, I will still have a negative. So I think the slippage or their transaction fee, I don't just know, but I was closing a trade with negative after. And this is a scalping. This is a scalping, not a long trade. I enter the market within some few minutes. I will just pull out of market after I have like 18 to 20 or even 30x. So I just pull out of the market and find another opportunity. But this actually gave me no sense. So I just have to remove my money, then I transfer it to my other wallet, my main wallet. Then I carry out the transaction. I carry out the challenge. So now this is my DEX screener, and this is the setting. I later made some adjustment to the settings here, and as you can see, so for the first thing, you need to check on this, and I think I need to make use of desktop to show you some secrets about this dex screener. So, but for now, let me just use the phone and explain to you, since I use the phone to carry out the challenge and I use the phone to make the setting. Though using the laptop will give you more advanced settings, and you'll be able to understand, you see the market very clearly. You won't so now, once you come to your DEX screener, the first thing you choose Solana, and you choose Radium. Okay, let me just go ahead and clear everything. Let me just go ahead and set everything. So this is my settings now. This is how I make the settings. I come over here, the DEX screener. As you can see, we have many wallets here. We have Phantom wallet, we have BSC, we have ethereum, all over. So now our major focus is on the Solana. So you go to all chain. Once you pick the all chain, you go to Solana, and after picking the Solana, you come to the next one, which is all dexes. You click on it and you click on radio. Though there are still others, but for now, let's just talk about the radium, because the radium is the only one I am using for now. So you go, you scroll to liquidity. So this liquidity, before I set it at 10,000, but I make the adjustment to 20,000. So my liquidity is 20,000. Then I put it there. The volume, I just abandoned the volume. So remember, I told you guys that I set the age of coin at 0. The minimum was 0.15 and the maximum was 1, right? So I have to make the adjustments, because seriously, if you want to catch a monkey, you need to behave like a monkey. All those scammers and all those people, I am not saying that this will not give you, but this will minimize the rock pool stuff like that. So I have to this was the setting I later used this setting, and this was the one I used for the challenge. So I put the age. I decided to use 3 before, then I later say, okay, let me just change it to 6. But if you can use from 3 or 6, is okay, but I decide to use 6. So I head over to apply, and the market cap, the I think this market cap I made use of. So the market cap I made use of 60k. Let me clear it. I made use of 60k and the maximum of 500. So here is it, 60k, one by 6,000, 60,000. So I made use of 60,000 and the maximum of 500,000 market cap. So I apply. So I come here again. The transaction, before I did not put transaction, but I don't have to put transactions to know that, yeah, the is not a dead coin or is not a some coin like that. So I decide to put 500, but let's just increase it to 800, or but I put 500 and I think let me go with 800 now, but that 500 goes well with me. So I also put this buy, like, the at least the market should be a moving market, not just a dead market like that. So I put from 1,000 to 10,000. So it's fine by me like this. So these are all the setting I use to execute my challenge. And as you can see, it gives me this result, though there are still some filters here. So now let's check one trade. You look for a trade, you look for a market that has not, though all these, as some of them as overdue, they are over, and that they just come back. Some of these coins are dead, but they just rise again. So I think for now they are on negative side, but let's check out this. So as you can see, this in 5 minutes ago, you see this M5. In 5 minutes ago, we have 0.51%, and is increasing or decreasing. So the age of the coin is 1 day ago. You can still make money from here. It's not necessary you rush into new trade like that, new coins like that. So let's check the transaction, and let me show you something here. I wish this is a desktop. I will have shown you exactly what I want to show you, because I actually use a desktop to carry out. So now you can see this. I I actually use 5 minute time frame, and always ensure that this transaction is moving, not only selling. You are seeing buying, and with some reasonable money. You are seeing buying, not only selling, big sell with big money and buy with small money. No. If you see that, I think you should make a post. So let's assume we came to market, and I analyze. As you can see, this coin was come somehow, and we came to market earlier than this, and we see the market have gone down using 6 hours negative. We will be able to execute the trade. So let me choose another one to explain better. For this market, we cannot enter this market now. All markets are down for now. This Chinese coin. So Chinese coin actually gave us money yesterday. I think we trade Chinese coin yesterday. That was a CT something like that, and we actually made crazy money. It wasn't much, but in one trade I made $200 plus within just few minutes. So all the markets are currently on high now. So I'm using 5 minutes to just analyze it. Then I go to 1 minute chart to know to see, and also go to 1 hour chart to see the negative.
of it. For this one now, let's see the 1 hour. You see the market is already high. The market is already high. So we are likely having the retrace back before it can shoot up. And also, as we can see, the selling and also buying. But that was the setting I used, and I think I just want to carry out a trade again and show you like I did in the other video. But let's see if there is opportunity for us for now, because this is I think the market is currently down now. People are sleeping probably, so they are not awake yet, and we cannot just jump on the dead market. Let's see. And also, I want to share you one thing again. There is one particular, but that will be in my next video, how you can find a celebrity coin or the coin that will trend within 2 to 3 hours by following news, United States news. So in my next video, I'm going to explain to you a very good way that you will be able to, after you analyze it, after you make good research about it, you will know that yes, people are actually cashing out just by following news, just by Elon Musk tweet or Donald Trump or other some. I'm going to show you some of the accounts that I follow, and I should be able to show you some of the what they say and what it actually reflects here in the market. So let's just in my next video we gonna talk about that, but this is just what I did and this is how I do it. So I will really appreciate if you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and also follow the follow my Twitter and also join the Telegram. I'm going to start sharing the trade on the Telegram as well, but currently I'm sharing on the Twitter since I'm very active on the Twitter. And if you have any question, don't forget to ask. I am going to answer you. So, and also if you have any negative about the bank bot, you let me know, because I really don't know why I after I execute like many trade like that with good profit, it start giving me negative. So I really don't know why. Then I just have to let go of it and use my normal Phantom wallet. So I was making using of my laptop and also my phone. After I get a trade, I will quickly go copy the wallet address and do the research very fast to know before, just to get into the market as soon as possible after I made a very good research. So in my next video, I want to show you how you can get the coin that will boom within 2 to 3 hours, that you'll be able to enter the trade as soon as possible after any trade. So see you there.